Alright, I got some things here. Came in the mail. This one's from High Point Scientific. And it's a Tele Vue 22mm Nagler eyepiece. Type 4. There you go. There's the glass. It's pretty hefty. It's nice. This pops out. This is from Canada. Rouz Astro mounting set for my telescope, but it's made of carbon fiber. Curious to find out if it fits or not. Red plate to mount whatever. It's metal, nice and sturdy. And this was also carbon fiber, which is pretty light. Okay, so now what I'm going to try to do, so here's my telescope here. And remove the mount. That's there. That came with the telescope. And then I'm going to compare and see if this is the same size. Well, it's very close. We'll see here. Maybe it's too loose. I think it might be too loose. Yeah, it's just a little too big. So I'm gonna have to get one size down, or find a way to make it snug. Because unfortunately, this is not gonna fly. From this direction. There we go. Make sure I got this right. Line correct. Okay. I think I should tighten it too much, especially since it's carbon fiber. Alright, well that's it.